So I'm one of the people very deeply disappointed with my Samsung Galaxy 3 with the easily cracked glass. Absolutely crap compared to the Apple phones that I had before. So that's what we're going to repair off of. Obviously you have our toolkit, glass replacement. We're going to go ahead and work on a dismantle. Okay, to start off with, I did all of the Phillips screws that are on the back of the S3. Okay. We have our tools here. Burning anything off that we shouldn't. We're going to screw right here. I'm using a Ace heat gun. I'm going to be running it on low. And one thing cooler than you'll see on any of the other ones is I'm using a laser temperature gun to figure out at what temperature the glue melts so that I can maintain that heat and not burn up my phone. Because my crack is over here, I'm actually going to start over on this side and see if we can get some good things to happen. Safety glasses. Now some others have complained about their tools melting. So I have a Pampered Chef scraper, and the scraper is high temperature and pretty darn durable. So, okay. At 130 we got it to pop. I got it to crease. I'm going to put this high temp thing in here. Now I'm getting temperatures about 150 to 160 as I do this. So you can see it just popped up there. Okay. Big thing he says is don't get it on the screen, and I just got it on the screen. Okay. So I slowly go like this, you can see it as it's coming off all the way around. I'm going to laser this down. Okay, right about there, we're about at 160 again. Again, having this thermometer really seems to make a huge difference. Able to run it around, not losing anything. Buttons other people have complained about popping, so I'm actually going to run my thing over the top of this button if I can. Not working out so good. Okay. Come back around on this side. Lost my edge. I'm going to heat. It looks like our magic number is about 160. So let's go ahead and keep heating. Okay. that I know that this is not going to get heated again over here, I'm going to start sticking these lower temp wedges over here to give me some good pressure and leverage. It's just a piece of Scotch tape I put over my brake a few days ago so that I wouldn't cut my fingers as I was using the thing. Back up there again. Come along here. Got that. Just falls right off. Just keep on going. It just falls right off of the screen. Buttons are, see, my buttons are stuck on there, which means I'm going to cry. Those don't work when this is all over. Now, somebody have commented that they don't know what any of this glue is. So as I go through this and get the rest of the glue off, I'm actually going to put it in an analyzer and figure out exactly what the glue product is. Wow, I got that whole thing off in one piece. As you can see, I think I did it pretty decent without breaking anything. Okay, next part of the process I'm going to go through is this glue that's left on here, especially right here. I think this is going to be a terrible part for me. Okay, so here's the next revelation I'll give you. WD-40 on a cloth actually breaks down that glue and we'll clean it off with a very delicate wipe. I've already got it all off of the entire screen with that. Every little bit came off. Okay, so I do that with this remaining one. But this top corner to take care of. Try and dry it up. And this is a second cloth. Trying to get any of the leftover residue off. I don't think you could have done that any faster or easier than to use WD-40. See, I still got a couple of snaps on the outside. Okay, so I just used a microfiber towel, removed every bit of the WD-40 that was stuck on there. Now we're going to go back to putting it back together. I did get a roll of the 2mm adhesive from 3M. I'm going to start off by cutting a couple of small pieces to hold the buttons down. I've seen too many other videos where they complain that the buttons got stuck or they got flipped over or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and fix all those buttons and get some adhesive on the back so that they don't fall off. Now, I went on the bottom sides. Well, obviously it's not the best contact point. What it does though is it does set them up perfectly where they're supposed to be. The next thing I'm going to do is just use this 2mm, basically run a square around it so it's got some adhesion left. Most people were pretty happy with leaving the glue on there that was in there before, but as you can see already I'm an overachiever, and just want to see if this does anything better. That's a long frickin' roll of crap for 4 little pieces, isn't it? The last thing I'm going to do is just double check with my towel. Actually, I didn't have any more fingerprints left down there. Like I said, that WD-40 was phenomenal. Very good. Okay. Looks like we're all glued up. I like to refer to it as chimpanzee glass because it's sure the shit ain't as good as a gorilla. Peel this off. Just going to double check and verify that I am expertly clean. About as clean as I could ever hope for, I guess. I'm also going to start on the button side. Some have started on the speaker side. The button side seems to make the most sense. That's the most delicate stuff. There's really nothing to pop in the top but the speaker. So we're going to stay there. Here we go. This is the do or die day. A little bit of low. Buttons in good. Come around all the way to the top. Just finger tight in. I've seen a lot of people just squeeze the crap out of this, but it seems to be adhering pretty good. But I think I'm sealed. We're gonna go ahead and put this turd back together and see what happens. There. Snap back on that one. Good adhesion on that one. Quick snap on that one. Woo! Finally. Because I just can't wait to put screws in. Holy shit. Holy crap. That whole thing actually worked, folks. That was under an hour. Let's do this way. So everything's working. All the buttons, all the areas of the screen I've tested. Everything comes up fine. The cameras, I couldn't see out of the camera before because of the crack. Go ahead and look, and yay, that looks pretty good. Nothing wrong with it. $40 fix. Coolest thing in the world.